20% standard modulation depth seen on the localizer center line. As with localizer, an aircraft on the glide slope will see the same depth of modulation from both lobes, and DDM will be 0. Flying above the glide slope moves the plane more into the 90 Hz lobe, and DDM increases. Flying below the glide slope moves the plane more into the 150 Hz lobe, causing a decrease in DDM. Similar to the way that the localizer works, the glide slope needle is controlled by these changes in DDM. The fly mode in glide slope works much the same way as it does for localizer. If the difference in depth of modulation is positive, this means the aircraft is above the glide slope, and the pilot should fly down. Conversely, if DDM is negative, this means the aircraft is below the glide slope, and the pilot should fly up. Most glide slope settings on the CMA have the same meaning or effect as their localizer counterparts. There are, however, two differences to make note of. First, the default sum of depth of modulation for glide slope is 80%. This is different from the default value of 40% in localizer. The second is that the DDM glide slope current is calculated using the scaling factor 857.125 microamps. In localizer, the scaling factor was 900.